My name is Dongho Chang, and I'm the City Traffic Engineer for Department of Transportation. And we're here to make sure that everybody follows the rules and that we can all get through this intersection, Mercer and Dexter, safely. So there's some officers who are asking drivers to clear the intersection and wait their turns, and doing some reinforcements. When people are impatient and block the intersection and block the box, it impairs other people from crossing the street when it's their turn. And so our street system becomes less efficient, and the other intersections become gridlocked. And so what we want to do is make sure that everybody follows the rules, provide the space for people to get across. So we want to make sure that our pedestrians who are needing to cross the intersection have their space on the crosswalk to cross the intersection when the walk sign comes up. Our peak hour is usually in the afternoon when everybody goes home, and so this is really the critical time. So we want to make sure that when things are fairly busy and everybody is trying to get home, that we want to be patient and wait your turn at the intersection. It is really about everybody respecting the law and that we follow the rules of the road. It keeps everybody safe, especially people who are walking. If you're blocking the crosswalk, obviously the pedestrians are walking in the lane of travel, which is not the best situation. We will see a lot of these enforcement throughout the city. We want to remind drivers that it's really important in order for our city to function safely and efficiently that we all follow the rules of the road, and that we'll be having weekly enforcement efforts.